Hello, my dear students. Today we shall pass on to Unit 5 after a small break. For some reason, I could not teach you. We shall begin the Unit 5 now. This is admission of partners. Admission of partners. When partners are admitted, what happens? When the profit items and loss items already available in the business should be divided among the partners, those who are already in the business. That means the old items which are available in the business must be divided among the old partners. They should keep everything in it before admitting a new partner. Therefore, how it should be divided, that what we are going to see. These are all only past journal entry it is given. So we must pass journal entry for it. Yes, Arul and Anita are partners sharing profit and losses exercise. This is the first problem. Unit 5, exercise, problem 1. Arul and Anita are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3. On 31/3/2018, on date 31/3/2018, we can write this date, particulars, as usual. You know the format: LF, debit, rupees 5, credit, rupees 5. Okay, date 31/3/2018. The general reserve is divided. Generally, general reserve, reserve fund, workmen's compensation fund, these are all profit items. When these profit items are divided, that profit items into capital account, this is general reserve account data. To who are the two partners? Arul's capital account, to Anita's capital account, and the general reserve is 42,000. It must be divided among the partners in the ratio 4:3. So how it should be divided? 4:3. Arul's capital account. The ratio 4:3, therefore the amount 42,000 into 4 by 7. And for Anita it is 3 times 42,000 into 3 by 7. Since the ratio is 4:3, 4 plus 3 7, and therefore for Arul it must be 4 by 7 times, for Anita it must be 3 by 7 times. Therefore what is the 7? If you simplify, this is 6,000, 4 into 6,000, 24,000 you should write. And Anita's 3, 7, this is simplified, 6,000, 3 into 6,000, 18,000. So 42,000 into 3 by 7. So you should write as usual the narration: general reserve divided among the old partners in the given ratio. In the given ratio. That's all, this one. And this is the answer for it. Then the next one. Anjali and Nitya are partners of a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3. They admit Pramila on 1/1/2018. On the date their balance sheet showed accumulated loss of 40,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet, and give the journal entry to transfer the accumulated loss on admission. How this should be written? Again the same column, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. Yes, what is the date? 1/1/2018. Here, accumulated loss, if it is profit and loss account to capital account. If it is loss, the reverse entry. So, what are the names given here? Anjali and Nitya. So, Anjali's capital account data, Nitya's capital account data, capital account data to profit and loss account. And loss account. Accumulated reserve to profit profit and loss account. What is the amount, total amount? 40,000. Yes, this 40,000 should be divided among the partners in the ratio 5:3. So, for Anjali, 40,000 into 5 by 8. That is 5:3, 5 plus 3, 8. For Nitya, 3 times. 40,000 into 3 by 8. If you simplify, this is 5 times 5 into 5, 25,000. And this 3 times 3 into 5, 15,000. This is accumulated loss divided in the ratio 5:3 among the old partners. So, what you have learned from this? If their items given are profit items, the item to capital account. If the items given are loss items to capital account. Loss items to capital account. Here, profit items to capital account. If it is loss items, the reverse of that, capital account to the loss item. So, this is the idea you should learn, and you should divide the amount according to the ratio given in the problem. Okay.